Hi students, good morning to everyone. So once again welcome back to online classes. So dear second standard students, in previous class we discussed about odd and even number and we will solve some questions in your workbook. So today also we are going to solve more questions about even and odd number. So everyone ready? Let's start the class. So now open your workbook and go to page number 6. So in previous class we solved till here. So today we are solving this question. So now read the question properly. What is written there? Write the missing numbers, circle the even numbers and cross the odd numbers. I think all of you remember the definition of even number and odd number. So again I repeat, if in unit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are there, then these numbers are even number, and if in unit place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is there, then these numbers are called odd number. So now read the question again. Write the missing numbers, circle the even numbers and cross the odd numbers. First you have to fill these blanks. Here 21, the next number is 22. The next number is 23, then 24. First you fill all these numbers, then you identify which number is even number and which number is odd number. So circle the even number and cross the odd number. So now show here 2 is in unit place, so this is even number, so you circle it. 3 is in unit place, so this is odd number, so you cross it. Understand everyone? So first you fill all these blanks, then you find out which one is even number and which one is odd number. You circle the even number and you cross the odd number. Here 24 is the even number, then you circle. Then 25, 5 is in unit place, so this is odd number, then you cross. Like this you can solve all these questions. So now move to next question. What is written here? See carefully. Fill in the blanks with even numbers that are between the given numbers. Read the question properly. Fill in the blanks with only even numbers and that are between the given numbers. Here is written 17, here is written 23. Which number is comes between 17 and 23? You know, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. These numbers are comes in between 17 and 23. Now you have to write here only the even numbers. So first I write all the numbers here which comes between 17 and 23, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Now from these numbers I choose which one is even numbers. 18 is even numbers, 20 is even numbers, 22 is even numbers. So I write here 18, 20 and 22. So these three numbers are comes in between 17 and 23, which are even numbers. So in question number 3, A, B, C, D is there. So you can solve like this. First you should find out which numbers are present between these given numbers. For example, D1, 93 and 99. Which number is present between 93 and 99? First you should write. Then from these numbers, which one is even numbers, you can write in this blank. Understood everyone? So now move to question number 5. What is written here? Complete the number strip. Circle the even numbers, count by 3s, 5s. Already you solved many questions which is based upon counts by 2, counts by 3, counts by 4, like this. So counts by 3 means what? You go to next 3 number. For example, 7 is written here, you go to next 3 number, means 8, 9, 10. Next 10 is the counts by 3. So here you have to complete the number strip. First you complete the number strip. How can you complete? By count by 3. So here is 3, after 3, 4, 5, 6. So you write here 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you write 9. Like this, you first fill all the blanks. Then you have to find which one is even number. Then you circle the even number. Here 6 is the even number, so I find 6 is the even number, then I circle it. Understood everyone? First you fill these number strips by count by 3. Then fill this number strip count by 5, means next 5 you go. So question number 5 you can do it by yourself in your notebook, otherwise in your workbook. When you are solving these questions, you should take care of that your workbook should be neat and clean, and you should write it properly with good handwriting. So now move to question number 6. Add, subtract, state whether some difference is an odd or even number. What is operation is given here, addition or subtraction, you do first. Then after that you find which one is odd number and which one is even number. For example, 6 plus 3. First you do addition. 6 plus 3, 9. Now tell me, 9 is an odd number or 9 is an even number. So 9 is an odd number. So you write 9 is odd number. I solve this. 7 minus 5. Now you subtract 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. So now tell me, 2 is odd number or even number? 2 is even number. So write even. Understood? So first you do addition. Here given addition, so you do addition. Here given subtraction, so you do subtraction. Like this you find the value. After that, which number you get, you find out these numbers are even number and odd number. If this is even, then you write even. If this is odd, then you write odd number. So I hope all of you understood these questions. You should completed these things in your homework part, and also you can complete in workbook. I hope all of you understood that. And if till now you don't subscribe the channel, first you subscribe the channel and tap on bell icon. And another thing, you should comment in videos. Your comment considered as attendance. So first you write your name, then you write you understand or not, and write in your comment box. For example, your name is Srushti, then you write Srushti, I understand. Then this comments is considered as attendance. So in next week your exam will conducted in this chapter. So study properly in your home. Don't waste time. Thank you students.